Let's go to the campaign structure, what all they have launched in the account. So they are strictly following funnel approach, where they have launched UF campaign, BOF campaign, and one Advantage Plus campaign. So the structure is good according to the budget. One thing which was missing, I think they should have launched MOF, middle of the funnel campaign as well, because I think out of 15, my 6 to 7 accounts produce best ROS in MOF campaign. MOF campaign generally have an audience who have interacted with our social media. That's why it tends to produce better result. If we see the ROS, we have got most ROS in BOF, and most number of purchases is in Advantage Plus campaign. So when the business is new, it's better to have more budget in Advantage Plus campaign. But if in case the business in the state where we need to have more profit, then we should increase the investment in BOF. But BOF will work only and only when acquisition cost or acquisition number is good, because you need to have some audience in the bottom of the funnel. So there has to be a proper funnel. Until and unless you're not going to invest in the top of the funnel, your bottom of the funnel is not going to work. But you can divide the ratio accordingly. So yeah, that's the thing. If the goal of the account is to have more acquisition, invest more in Advantage Plus. And if the goal of the account is to have more profit, invest more in BOF, but do not disregard the top of the funnel audience. Thank you so much. Let me know if you need to, if you have any query, if you need to know anything related to Meta ads or Google ads for increasing the revenue or maybe profit for your account, please slide into the DM. Thank you so much.